welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. In today's video I have collaborated with a bunch of ladies to share our Mother's Day. The theme of the video is Mother's Day at home, and so everybody's showing how they're going to celebrate Mother's Day at home this year, and I thought it was a great idea. The host of this collaboration is Antoinette at Simply Yet Chic. I'll leave her linked in the description box below. Don't forget to go check her out. And then the playlist of everybody's videos will also be linked in the description. I highly suggest going through the playlist because you will find that you will find new people to follow and get such great ideas. I love when people do playlists that I can just watch them all and be like, wow, so many creative people out there. So check those out. However, in my video, I am just going to share with you kind of like a DIY that you can do to use as a centerpiece on your table, or you could even gift this. I've already done like a tablescape for spring, and so I didn't really want to do another one, but I still wanted to participate in this collab. So I hope you enjoy it. I hope it gives you some inspiration. You could either keep this for yourself or gift it to your mom. But I really loved how it turned out, and I cannot wait for you to see it. So if you like DIY projects and Mother's Day, give this video a thumbs up. And subscribe if you haven't already. If you're new from the playlist, hello. I do lots of home decor on my channel, so I hope you'll stick around and check it out. I do have a Mother's Day gift guide coming up next week, and I am so excited about that. So anyway, let's get going on the DIY. Okay, so I picked up some flowers just at my local grocery store. I think that for Mother's Day at home, this is like the perfect way to brighten the day. Who doesn't love fresh flowers? I know I do, and I know if these were just set on my table, it would make my whole day. So I'm gonna create a little arrangement. I bought 2 bunches, and I just really liked these white ones. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go through this white bunch and pick off any of the stems that don't, or the leaves that don't look that great, and just pick them off. I have several different flowers. I have these little spray roses, I have bigger roses, these really darling little white flowers, there's even a lily in there, and a mini hydrangea. And that's why I bought it, was because there's a bunch of different ones. But then I loved these beautiful pink tulips. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull off the ends here, because you don't want any of this leaves to be touching the water. It just, I feel like in my experience, it makes them go, the flowers die quicker. So I'm going to start with these tulips, and I'm going to cut them down. And I kind of want it to be whimsical, so that's how I do my arrangements. I've done several arrangements like this on my channel. I'll have everything linked below if you want to check them out. I just love creating, and this is such a fun way to do that. editing this video, the thought came to my mind that if you wanted to support your local floral shops at this time, a lot of people aren't buying flowers, and I'm not quite sure that they're actually doing flowers. You could call and ask if you could buy some stems maybe that they had left over before that they die, just to create your own. I feel like right now I have found the most peace in creating, and so doing this full arrangement was really beneficial for me and my mental health, but also I plan to gift this to somebody so they will enjoy it. But I felt like you could create something and support a local business if you could. If you can't, that's great. Just pick up some flowers at your grocery store and obviously create something beautiful. So cute. I love the pink and the white together. And I love the whimsical tulips around. That's my favorite part. It might not be everybody else's, but I really like it. Because usually when you put a thing of tulips like in water, they just kind of billow out. And so I kind of wanted to keep that same effect, but fill in with all these beautiful white flowers. So let's style this on the table, and I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm gonna keep it very, very simple and just use this really cute white and blue table runner that I've got at Hobby Lobby last spring. I don't know about you guys, but I hope on Mother's Day I'm not doing this myself. I hope somebody else is doing this. So I'm not gonna put too much time into it. And then that's it. How simple. So cute. I know that's so basic, and I'm probably like the only person in the challenge that is so basic, but I hope I inspired you just with the flower arrangement, that you will pick up some beautiful flowers and create your own arrangements. You can either give this to your mom for Mother's Day or keep it for yourself. that's all I got for you. I really hope that you enjoyed this. It's absolutely beautiful, and it would make a perfect table centerpiece or a gift for your mom. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Take care. See ya.